Welcome to the Taranker YouTube channel. Today, we're showing you the top 6 pop-up apps for Shopify. First, go to the Taranker homepage. Navigate to the Store Design section. From there, click on Notification. Finally, select Pop-up to view all the top pop-up tools available. Let's begin with the top free pop-up apps you can use right away. Sales Pop-Up Conversion Pro, Smile, Bon, Avada GDPR, Cookie Consent, PushOwl. These free apps offer essential features to engage customers without any cost. Next up, here are the top 6 pop-up apps for Shopify in 2024. Ecom Send Pop-Ups, Privy, Pop Convert, TIDAL Pop-Ups, Sales Pop-Up Conversion Pro. These apps provide advanced features for pop-ups, emails, and banners. For those seeking premium capabilities, here are the top 6 best pop-up apps for Shopify. PushOwl, TIDAL Pop-Ups, Avada GDPR Cookie Consent, Ecom Send Pop-Up, Smile, Pop Convert. With Taranker's comparison feature, if you're trying to decide between PushOwl and Pop Convert, you can easily compare their performance and choose the best fit for your store. Taranker also offers exclusive deals. Let's say you're interested in Zotabox Easy Sales Pop-Up. Simply click the Unlock Deal button to access limited time 50% discount once you log into your Taranker account. If you don't have an account yet, no problem. Just sign up quickly. Copy the coupon code and click Try for free to install the app. After installation, head to Pricing Plan and choose Have a Discount Coupon to apply the discount code. Zotabox offers a wide variety of customizable templates for different goals. Whether it's capturing leads, offering discounts, or announcing a flash sale, choose a design that matches your brand. And there you have it, our top 6 Shopify pop-up apps to help you maximize conversions. Visit Taranker.com today and unlock your store's full potential. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Shopify tips and tricks.